Want to learn English fast and easy? You can sound like an American. Really. Just listen, relax, and repeat after me. Let's go to Texas together. When I first went to Texas, I didn't know what to expect. But what I saw on the first day was crazy. A man was riding a horse in the city, not on a farm. He went through the McDonald's drive-through like it was normal. I was so surprised. I had to take a photo. Texas is very different from other places. People really love the cowboy lifestyle there. They wear big hats, big boots, and drive big trucks. Even young people wear cowboy clothes every day. And yes, many of them still ride real horses. Everything in Texas feels big and loud. The streets are wide and the cars are huge. Even the food is extra large in size. I bought a burger that was bigger than my head. It also had hot peppers that made me cry. Let me tell you something really strange. Gas stations in Texas are like shopping malls. They sell food, toys, clothes, and even meat. One station had over 100 clean toilets, and people were taking selfies inside the building. People were laughing, eating, and shopping all together. At first, I didn't understand why it was so popular. But then I started to enjoy it too. It was loud, busy, and full of happy people. Texas knows how to make things fun. Texans are some of the funniest people I've met. They talk to strangers like they are old friends. One man looked at me and said, "Hey, y'all." I smiled, but didn't know what y'all meant. Later, I learned it means you all. Very useful. I went into a small local shop near the street. The man there said, "Welcome in," with a big smile. He asked where I was from and started a long chat. We laughed and talked for almost 10 minutes. That kind of kindness made me feel at home. One weekend, I visited a real rodeo for the first time. People were riding bulls and jumping off horses. It was loud, wild, and very exciting to watch. The crowd was shouting and clapping the whole time. It felt like a big movie scene in real life. After the rodeo, people started cooking outside. They made barbecue on big fires under the hot sun. The smell of grilled meat was strong and amazing. Someone gave me a big plate with chicken and sauce. It tasted so good. I wanted to eat more and more. Even in the heat, people were dancing and laughing. They wore cowboy hats and cool sunglasses for fun. One man was telling stories while drinking cold tea. Kids were playing games and running around together. It felt like a big, happy family picnic. Later that week, I went to a football game. Before the game, people had a party in the parking lot. They called it a tailgate, and it was full of food. Strangers gave me snacks and asked me to join. Everyone was kind and full of good energy. Before I left Texas, I wanted something to remember. So I bought a big brown cowboy hat from a shop. When I wore it, people smiled and said, "Nice hat." I laughed and took a picture with it on my head. Now I keep it in my room as a special memory. Texas was full of surprises I didn't expect at all. The people were warm, open, and very proud. The food was spicy and always full of flavor. The culture was fun, loud, and bigger than life. I will never forget my amazing trip to Texas. Well, that was all for today. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.